Hey guys, in this video I will be speaking of two-way encryption. What this means is you can encrypt the data and then you can decrypt the data. So basically you can insert and then you can retrieve that data and see the original way it looked. So here are one encryption function. There's encrypt and decrypt. There's some others, but this one's probably the most secure. So that's what I'll be explaining. I might explain some others later. I don't know. But basically, how this works is you will give it a string to encrypt within quotes. So, encrypt me! You know? You see, this string wants to be encrypted. So then you can also give what is called a salt. S-A-L-T. And then you would put this, so this is within the parentheses. You would put the salt here. So now what the salt is basically just a way to convert this. You encrypt the data by following this salt. And when you decrypt it, you use the same salt. So basically this will convert it to some secret code. And then the only way to get it back to the original data is to say, this is the salt, to the decrypt, and then it will give you the original encrypt me. I know that seems like a lot and it's kind of confusing, but basically all you're really doing is giving it some random string of data, and it will do something with that string of data to encrypt this. The longer the salt, the more secure it is. So if I just use, instead of this is the salt, if I just used hi, it's not going to be as secure. But then I could encrypt it, so let's say, let me give you an example. I'm going to encrypt my security code for my business to get into the steel doors that go whoosh real fast when I type in my closing door code. And the code is 635851. Right? That's my code to open and close the doors. And I'm going to store this in my database because I don't know why. It's because I want to store this in my database. And all these workers have a different secret opening and closing code. And they'll insert this with their information and then we'll encrypt it. The encryption is going to be, yo bro, what's up? Can't even fit this. Yo bro, what's up? You know? So now when I use AES Encrypt, it's going to give me this bunch of random characters that look like a foreign language, right? And you're not going to know what it is. So somebody who's trying to crack it, it's going to be a lot more difficult because they don't know the salt. But when we decrypt it, we can say AES decrypt, and then we can say the column storing the salt. So AES decrypt. We can say AES decrypt, and then put the column security code, and then we can say the salt, yo bro, what's up, and then it will take this original message and it will decrypt it back to the original, which was, I can't even remember. Guess that's why you'd store it in a database, so you don't forget it. You can store your salt within your database, and random people shouldn't just have access to your database for no reason. So only you or extremely secure people should have access to your database, and you can store your salt within your database if you wish. And one reason for this is you can actually randomize this by using one of the other encryption functions, the SH1 or SHA2, to get a 40-digit random code, and then you can use that or part of that to encrypt your data randomly. That way you don't have the same salt for every single thing. For example, what if you found a salt for one thing and then you could figure out them all? It wouldn't be good. So if you have a random salt that's stored within your database, they're not going to be able to crack your salt easily. So yeah, that is two-way encryption / decryption. In the next video, I will actually be starting to design and explain a banking system database that we will be programming. It won't take long, just very simple. So don't get overwhelmed and be like, holy freaking cow, that's a lot of work. It'll be easy, trust me. So yeah, catch me there, catch you there. Subscribe, click like please, and follow me on Google+. Yeah, that's about it. Subscribe, share my videos. Link to them all to your friends. Yeah. Whoa, now I'm over here. Holy cow, now I'm over here. Holy cow, what does this mean?